We are told to solve xy plus y is 10 and x plus y is 6. So basically, we can call the first one to be equation 1 and the second one to be equation 2, right? So we already have two equations. So to solve this, I will first of all look at the equation. It is easier to make x or y the subject of the formula in any of the equation. So for me, I will try to make y subject of the formula. After making y subject of the formula, I will now find my x. So from equation 2, which says that x plus y is equals to 6. To make y subject of the formula, I would simply minus x from both sides. So that you see that y is equals to 6 minus x. And this can be called my equation 3. This is seen as equation 3. So I'm going to put y to be 6 minus x in my equation 1. And this will now simply be that x, so instead of writing y, I'll write 6 minus x. So I write 6 minus x. Then the next term here is y. I'll have plus 6 minus x equal to 10. Okay? So the next thing we do is to open the bracket first. X times 6 is 6x. And x times minus x will give you minus x squared. Then plus 6x plus 6 minus x. So we'll have to minus 10 from both sides. So everything becomes 0. Minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, the next thing is to collect like terms. The next number is minus x squared. Then 6x minus x is plus 5x. Then what again? 6 minus 10 is basically minus 4 equal to 0. So for us to look at this, we simply multiply through by minus 1 to eliminate this minus here. So we have x squared minus 5x then plus 4 equal to 0. This is basically clearly a quadratic equation. To factorize this, we have to open two brackets. If you open two brackets, we equate it to 0. What multiplies to get x squared? What multiply is x and x. Then we think of two numbers that multiplies to get 4 but adds to get minus 5. That's minus 4 times minus 1. So write minus 1 minus 4. So when two brackets multiplies to give 0, we equate both of them to be 0. X minus 1 is 0, or we say that x minus 4 is 0. If x minus 1 is 0, that means x is equals to 1. For the second one, x is equals to 4. So these are the two solutions for what? X. Remember, we've gotten that y is equal to what? 6 minus x. So first, we'll have to find y when x is what? 1. That will be what? That will be what? Y is equals to 6 minus 1. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So y is equals to 5. Then for the next one, we'll find y when x is 4. That means y is equals to 6 minus 4, meaning that y is equals to what? 2. Okay? So y is 2 when x is 5, and y is 1, and y is 5 when x is 1.